Okay, take a look here. Are you seeing my P6 math? Yes, same. Our rule, use chat function to ask question. Okay, feedback. Do not scribble anything, Only tell me it's my timer. Okay, you can tell me when time is up for 45-minute break. Okay, today we try to squeeze time for Kahoot. Yeah, the happiest moment of the day. If have time, so we must, quickly finish what we need to do first. Okay, all right, let's start. Oh, the total mass of, that's for question 1. Yeah. So there are 2 persons mentioned here. For both of them, will be 12A kilogram. So for Z itself is 5A. Right? So 5A. So Lucas must be 7A because 12A minus 5A. Then you get your 7A for Lucas. Now, if A is 9, what is the mass of Lucas? Lucas is 7A, right? So first thing first is you must minus 1 of it first. You sub your 7 equals the A equals to 9. So that will give you 63. Okay? All right. Good job. Okay. Next. Sorry, If I'm too fast, do let me know, okay? Do let me know I'm too fast. Okay. Let me check the function. Okay. Yeah. 63, Tommy. 7 times 9. Oh, I know what you mean. The 21 is for the next question. Oh, okay. I thought, why you give me 7 times 9, 63 is 61. Okay. All right. So PQ and PR are 2 sides of the rectangle. So these are the 2 sides. And you are supposed to put the S to complete the rectangle. Okay, put the S here. It's supposed to be here. Okay. Complete the rectangle. So you see this one must be 90 degree, right? So it must be a parallel line. Okay. So this one must be somewhere here. Join at 20. One number. Okay. All right. Next question. Ethan earns 50 cents for every magazine that he sells. So he earned a 50 cent. And every 80 of it, he will earn an additional bonus. So this is additional. How much did he earn from 214 magazines? So many he sold. Okay, so let's take a look at the each is 50 first. Okay, and you have 80 of them. So meaning to say the total collection here must be 40, right? Why 40? Because I want to put them in one group. And you will get the bonus of 80. So total he will have 120. So can I say this is one group first? We are going to group them. So then the thing is that for every group I have is going to be 120. And how many groups of 80 do you have? So I divide this by 80. So 214 divided by 80. You should get 2 groups of 160. So minus 160, you should remain the 54. So there will be two groups, right? Multiply by 2, you get 240. Okay, but you will not be able to get the bonus for the next one. $80 times 50 cents, $40. Sorry, this is $20 bonus. I thought 80. Okay, so this one will be $60. And this is 120. And then with the 54 books, I must times the 50 cents to get down to $27. And then you finally add your 120 with your 27. You get 147 for this sum. Okay. Good. Thank you, Tommy. All right. For those who are very quick in your typing, you can also have to respond in the chat function. Don't just keep quiet. Wait for answer. Okay. All right. Anyone still need this page? Don't need. Okay. More, are you following closely? Am I too fast? Okay. All right. Let's check who is in. Ring the doorbell. Miko. Okay. Next question. In the figure, there is a trapezium. So where's the trapezium? I'm going to use my highlighter to highlight my trapezium here. Okay, so I'm going to color. This is the trapezium. P, Q, R, S. Okay. And this one is the parallel. So the parallel sides will be this thing. Okay. Right, so I don't set. So P, Q, R, S. Okay. Is a trapezium. RTU change to pen. Okay. Which one is the right angle? RTU right angle here. And this is 78. Q here. Okay, so this is 78. And RSV is 62. So this one is also 62 here. Then PQ is parallel to UR. So this is 78. So this is 78. Now, do you notice something? There is a shape called parallelogram. PQRV is a parallelogram. How I know? Because I have 78 degree here. Watch. I have a 78 degree. Do you see my 78 here? And then I have a 78 degree, meaning to say these two lines are also parallel. Right now. Okay. Then he wants you to find R UT, which is this one. Let's take a look at this. Okay. So first thing first is we know that this is 78. We have another small angle here. Shall we find small angle for this thing? Because I need to find the third angle for that. Okay. So this one, 78. Here is 180 minus 78, which is 102. So this is 102 degree. Okay, who don't understand the 102 degree here? Anyone? If you have question, do open, type over the chat. So you have 180 minus your 78, which is angles on the straight line. And this is angle RVS. Okay, 102. So you have the third angle here now, called URS. So angle URS is equals to 180 minus 102 degree minus 62 degree because of the triangle. Okay, so 180 minus 102 minus 62, you get 16 degree here. So the 16 degree is meant for this portion. Okay, so then you will be able to use this because you have a right angle here. So 180, we call this RUT now. 180 minus 16 degree with a right angle of 90 degree. Okay, that get down to 74 degree for that. Okay. Any question? Oh, oh, okay, Mo. You have to be very careful because the 62 is actually this 62. Let me write in blue. Okay, I got what you mean already. Your this 62 is for angle RSB. Don't mistaken, it's not 62. Because 78 plus 62 will not give you 180, right?
No, because I see the straight line and then I minus the 62, then I get the UST. Then after that I see the four thing, and then I use vertically opposite angle 78 degrees, and then I minus 360 minus 118 minus 78.
Actually, it's not wrong, but do you get the correct answer?
Yeah.
Correct, Can what I know what you're trying to say. Because you're making this 78, you find this, then 360 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yeah, so there's a 4. There's a 4.
Can. Still the same, still correct. Yes, well done. Okay, take a look at the next one. All right, this one is interpretation. This one very careful. I got to do it slower. Now, if you take a look at this question, the tank was filled up the 80. 80 is the full tank. Okay. I do it this one. It was filled. The answer here is filled. So that's why this one was already full. All right. And then the water drained out using two taps, P and Q. Both taps were turned on at the same time, and after a few minutes, Q was turned off. Q turned off means P continue, right? That's the thing. You must know that P continues to flow. The line shows the amount of water over the 16 minutes. So from this part to this part here, we are talking about this portion. So now I'm going to break it into this like that. All right. So for this portion to this portion, you have tab P plus tab Q together. Okay. Draining out. Both tabs are drain out. Okay. So that means to say from 80 to 60, from 80 to 20, 60 liters are drained out.